Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Roberto from Detail Culture, and today I'm going to show you how to do a rinseless wash on this panel. So stay tuned for the video. Alright, so to do a rinseless wash, I have no rinse right here. Optimal no rinse is what the full name is. So what we do, I got two gallons of water. So for each gallon, you need one cap full, and this cap is about like half an ounce when you fill it up. So I'm going to put two of them in there. And this product here, you can use it on cars, motorcycles, RVs. This has a picture of an airplane, but you know, not a lot of people do that. So, but you still can use it for it though, okay? So here I got it in the bucket. And with this, they do sell a sponge to go with it. It's a big red sponge, I think is what it's called. It has little cuts in it to make it like little squares cut out in it. I don't have one, so today I'm gonna use the esoteric sponge. I figure it's really soft and it's probably gonna work just the same. And this guard here, I'm actually gonna ceramic coat this this summer. And I'm here in Wisconsin. It's end of November, so I'm not really caring if I'm really gonna scratch up the paint too much because it's gonna get polished in the springtime and get ceramic coated. So I'm not really too worried about it. So, all right. We'll check out the rest of the video. So a couple things you're actually gonna need. You're gonna need your bucket right here that I just showed you, and then you're gonna need some type of sponge. The big red sponge is actually made for this one, but like I said, I'm sure this is gonna work out fine. Then you're gonna need some distilled water to make your. I got a spray bottle of it, and then I also have a pump sprayer so I can do bigger things like the door and stuff like that. I like using the little pump sprayer for like door jams. So what this is gonna do when I add this in there, which I already did, I'm gonna spray that on there as well, because what this does, this is gonna encapsulate all the dirt off your panel. Okay, so if you don't have access to a pressure washer, or you don't have access to like water like that, this is a good option to take. Like right now, I'm in my garage. I have no drain in my garage, so this is what I'm gonna do to kind of clean this panel. I can probably get this whole car done too, and not spill a whole ton of water. So that's a good option to go. And I also have some rags down here. This is gonna be our rags to wipe everything off, all the water. And this is my rag where I'm gonna spray this, because the reason why I'm choosing the Turtle Wax Graphene is use Flex Wax, because you can either sorry for the cough. Girls making tamales, yo. Shit rough on your lungs. But anyways, this right here is actually good because you can put it on dry or you can put it on a wet. So maybe if I don't get all the water off there, I can still spray this on and still gonna protect. So that's why I'm choosing this one right here. All right. So let's get into it. So here I am, spraying down the panel. The reason why I want to spray it on, because like I said before, it's going to encapsulate the dirt. So it's going to lift the dirt off the panel. So when I scrub it, it's really not going to scratch up the paint. And what I mean by that, like, your paint is really delicate. So you can really scratch your paint doing anything with touching it. You can touch it with your finger, scratch the paint, with a towel, whatever. You run a risk of scratching your paint. So with that being said, I'm going to ceramic coat the car this spring, summer. So I'm just gonna get all the scratches taken off anyway. So as I'm scrubbing this down, I'm gonna start from top to bottom. As I come from the top, bring down to the middle, I wanna wash off my pad or my mitt, and so on and so forth. So now I'm gonna be drying it off as best as I can. If all the water doesn't come off, it's not a big deal because I'm using the Turtle Wax, Flex Wax, so it can be either wet or dry, don't matter. So there it is, and there's my protection right there. I'm gonna spray a couple spritz on it. I'm gonna wipe it off with another towel, a little softer towel, because there's no water to lubricate it. But I'm putting the protection on there, so it's a little softer, so it doesn't scratch as much. And there it is, done.